All right, you guys, as much as I love summer so much, I freaking love fall, and I'm really happy for like cozy mornings and cozy pajamas and all the things that are cozy. Okay, so this is my fall morning routine. I've changed up a few things, including my eye mask, because my other one was leaving creases all over my face. So I just got this one. I'll link below at Nordstrom. It's just like a really nice one that did not leave creases in my face yet, which I love. So the first thing I do when I wake up is chug water, like seriously chug it. 20 to 32 ounces, because our bodies are very dehydrated when we wake up, and you gotta just start with a bunch of water. Stretching it out. How cute are these little pajama sets? I love them. It's so cozy. And then my essential oils that are like a thyroid one I made, I blended it together. And I actually just went to my endo and asked him about it. And he was like, I mean, it's not hurting you. It's like they might not really do anything, but if you like rubbing it on, go for it. So I'm going for it. All right, then first thing I do after I chug water is take my thyroid medicine. Just one little pill a day is where I'm at now. And I've been taking levothyroxine 140 milligrams. It's kind of my new prescription that I just got tested on, and it's good. All right, and then I got a ton of new skincare over the summer. If you guys saw on Instagram stories, I went to a dude ranch, which is really fun and random. And I got a lot of really clean, awesome new skincare brands. So I've been testing out a few different ones, but still loving like my Dr. Roebuck's and other ones in there. This one is actually just specifically, this cream is like for your neck and your chest, which I think a lot of us forget to do. We do our face, we maybe put like lotion on our hands or our legs, but your neck and chest needs it so bad, especially as you get older. So start young and start doing all the oils and lotions and potions to keep that skin nice and beautiful and healthy and glowing. And if you guys have the Busy Babe guide, you have my 6-step skincare routine that's really easy, and it just makes getting all your skincare in simple. All right, natural deodorant. If you are trying to switch to natural deodorant, it took me so long to do it. You have to go through like a 2 to 3 week detox, and you kind of are like funky smelling for a couple weeks, but it is worth it. I'm still sweaty. I've always been sweaty, but at least I know that I'm protecting my pits. And I am a big believer in a clean space, means like mental clean space. So I make my bed every single morning. I like do the whole thing just because I feel like it's really cute. It makes me happy to come into my bedroom at night. And it just like allows me to be like mentally clear for the like going into my day when everything is like put away where it should be. And it makes it so much more fun to get in bed at night because it's all like cozy. And you guys, look at my cute new fall decorations. This is my absolute fall bucket list. I mean, important things: pumpkin lattes, hocus pocus, football. It's crucial. And I decorated the rest of the house. It's really cute. I'll show you guys all the little details. But the next thing I do in the morning is throw on my jams because I need to have a little bit of a dance party when I wake up to get me in a good mood. Just kick off my day feeling right. And then I light my little pumpkin candle because it's fall and I can. And we're starting that booty challenge tomorrow, so I need all the inspo around me at all times. So before I have my coffee, I have to show you guys this brand new Care of vitamin packs that I've been using. They are so amazing. So I'm really excited to partner with them on this video to share Care of. I used to take like all these different bottles. I literally had bottles and bottles. You guys have seen that basket. And I would take so many, and they just make it so personalized for you. You can take this quick little quiz online to see what supplements they recommend for you. And it's just really convenient. And I love that it's literally like what you need. So if you have certain like health issues that you're concerned about, like for me, my hair, my skin, my nails, wanting to have a lot of energy, they actually will like pick what supplements you need and send personalized little individual packs for you that are shipped out every single month. And I just love that they come in these little like vitamin dispensers. So like Ryan and I both have our own packs. And this is so awesome, you guys, because he used to never take supplements. Like I would try to get him to take his vitamins and he never did it. And you can see how personalized it is for everything that you need just specifically for your health goals. And now Ryan actually takes his vitamin packs every day. So if you have like family or yourself, like you have a really hard time remembering to take them, you guys have to try Care of. Go take the quiz. I'll put the link down below for you, and you can get 25% off your first order with my promo code. It's just Love Sweat Fitness. So I'll put all of those links. You guys really go check them out. It has been a huge game changer as we've been transitioning from fall into summer and like really trying to get our health back on point after all that travel. Okay, so now coffee time. You guys know my coffee routine, but right now we're up leveling with a little pumpkin spice latte, healthy style. Katie loves so fitness style, because if you buy a pumpkin spice latte at a coffee shop, it is going to have like 25 to 50 grams of sugar, which is absolutely insane. And I don't ever really use artificial sweeteners, which is why this one was like high in the cabinets, but it's a monk fruit sweetener and I'm adding fresh pumpkin. So it's like, if you don't have any sweetener, it's pretty bitter. And then of course my vital proteins, collagen, peptides, which again, now with my Cara vitamins added into my routine, it's really awesome because the collagen's already great for my hair and skin. And then Cara recommended a prenatal vitamin for me. So not because I'm trying to get pregnant, but because it's really great for your hair and skin. Ooh, and this latte is good. I'll give you guys the recipe. If you are signed up for the booty challenge, you already have the recipe. It came in your sweat starter. If you're not signed up, we start tomorrow on Tuesday, but you can really do it anytime. So go get signed up. I'll put the link below. Okay, so I have to show you guys the scale. If you haven't seen it, I mean, I've showed it a lot actually in my stories. This is from Vanity Planet, and it's the Digital Body Analyzer. And this is why I love the scale. I usually hate scales because it only tells you one thing. A normal scale only tells you your weight, which means like nothing. But this scale actually gives you like body fat percentage, your weight, your muscle mass, and water weight, so that you can really see what all those numbers mean, what is actually happening in your body. So if you're doing the Hot Body Meal Plan or the LSF app workouts and you wanna see like, am I gaining muscle? Am I losing fat? This scale really can help you do that. So I'll put the link down below for you guys. You can get 60% off, like 60% for like a killer scale. You gotta go check it out. That's down below too. And look at the cute decorations. Come on, it's so fun. It's so spooky. I really need to paint the fireplace inside. Do you see that? Okay, so next part of my routine, once I have my coffee, is I sit and I write my to-do list. If I didn't get it written the night before, my top 5, I've been talking a lot about this. It's so important to me to have like a clear list of objectives so that I can stay organized and get all the things that I need to get done in order. So I'm not like bouncing from one thing to the next, to the next, to the next. That's normally what ends up happening. And I really want to focus on being organized this fall. And you can see my organization with my closet. This is like my secondary closet where all like the things I get from like different brands or people that I'm working with, clothes to try, or just when I buy myself new outfits and I don't want them to get lost in my main closet, so I actually wear them, I'll put them there. And then this is just a quick 5-minute makeup. Like literally, you guys, it takes me 5 minutes. And I like to multitask. So I usually will foam roll my booty, which has already been sore because we're training for a half marathon right now. And my legs and butt have been like dying. So a little booty rollout. All I do is a really like nice, like supple foundation. And then I'll put a like whitish color on my whole eyelid and then a little coppery color in the crease. A little brow brush. This has just a tint to it. A highlighter that's like a, like, what's it called? Like a glossy one, not glossy, but like a moisturized one. It's not powder. There you go. A not powder one. So that I just keep like all of the glow happening. A little bronzer, a little blush. Curl the eyelashes. You guys may have seen this trick I do before, but I have this cheap drugstore, like double-sided mascara that I do a primer. Then I use a Urban Decay mascara for like my main one, step 2. And then step 3 is back to the cheap one with its actual mascara because it has more of a comb to really help like separate out those lashes. Then just a little bit of like a matte lip. It's not a gloss, I guess, but like a matte lip stick, if you will. Change outfits for the day and pick out shoes. Did you see those pink TJ Maxx shoes? You guys, they're like dad shoes on sale at TJ Maxx. They're Steve Madden. They were amazing. And then like this is literally like a probably 30 to 45 minute morning routine because I am hurrying this morning, but I'm making sure that I'm making each thing I do kind of count and really specifically and intentionally like spending time, like 5 or 10 minutes writing down those top 5, enjoying my coffee on the couch before I move on so that it feels like a longer morning ritual. And I really like feel like I had some time to myself. Quick teeth brush, stretch it out. Again, multitasking is key when you're busy. Like you want to be able to do more than one thing at a time so that you can get the most out of your time and still have moments of relaxation. Okay, and then I got a lot of meetings today, just quick ones, meeting up with a couple of friends about some collabs, so heading out, and really that is my full fall morning routine. Under 30 minutes, ready to go out the door.